This is the solid remote, and this is how you connect it to a power supply to power it. You can do this with any charger for like a phone or an adapter. This is a Radio Shack adapter, and the output is 12 volts. And it says that the power supply here can be between 9 and 24 volts. So this will do just fine and not overpower it. And so here's what you're gonna do. Here's your power supply here, and this cord was for something, and it has 2 wires here. We're gonna strip it off here. Alright, so we're gonna just put this here, and then split these 2 wires. And strip them. Like so. And then these 2 are going to go in where these blue wires were that I had hooked up to this battery thing, but I want to power it all the time for the garage door application. So I'm going to go like so. Take these 2 wires out, and the polarity doesn't matter on this, so doesn't matter. And I'm gonna just stick them in.
Genius.
Like so. And then do them nice and tight here. And we'll see if they're in pretty good. Yep, they're not going anywhere. They're in nice, good, and tight. Now we're gonna see if this works. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to here's the garage door remote. So I'm gonna place this right here. I'm just gonna run these 2 wires to the opposite side here. But we wanted to see if this 12 volt thing works here. So we're gonna plug it in here, and we'll watch it light up if it works. There it is.
Works.
We got power. Perfect. So now I'm going to screw this on the wall, and we'll program it. Alright, so we got it plugged in to 12 volt power. Again, you can go 9 to 24 volt. And then I ran these 2 wires. One is the normal on, and one is the COM. And then we ran them to the back of the garage door button. You can see one on each one. So now I need to program it. So here's my programmer, and then I'm going to use the top dimple and press it until it flashes. Hold this down until it flashes, and it's programmed. And then, so I press it. Alright, it didn't work. So we'll do that again. So it's holding. Wait till it flashes and stops. Alright, so you gotta wait till it stops flashing and then press it. And it opens the garage door. As you can see, it works. And then we'll press it again. And it goes down. So it works. And press this. So the button still works, everything works. We're all good. Again, only $18, and you can fix your broken transmitter on this old garage door opener for $18.